Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my DIY fashion rings. This is my project for today. I did this 3 fashion rings through live tutorial. So please just replay my live tutorial on how to create a fashion ladies ring. This one is a golden beads made of golden copper jewelry wire and with golden beads, small beads, and fuchsia pink pearl beads is crowned with a golden copper jewelry wire. Look at this. This is now the transformation. So just watch my live tutorial. Just replay my live tutorial so that you can see how I started and finished this fashion rings. This one is real Swarovski, this red one, and the top is pearl beads and made with silver jewelry wire. And now this is already the transformation. So this is my project number 1 for today's live tutorial, and you can see it's very beautiful. This is number 1 project, and the number 2 is this white pearl beaded with small silver pearl beads and made with a silver jewelry wire. So just check my live tutorial on how I started and finished this pearl ring. This is number 1, number 2, and the number 3 is this golden copper ring, and the design is with a crown on the top of the beads. I mean in the side of the beads there is a crown. So I hope guys you like this DIY fashion rings. So if you like this DIY fashion rings, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video so that your friends can see also this DIY rings. So if you want to learn how to create this DIY fashion jewelry, just click on my playlist Beadworks tutorial. In this playlist you can find all the video tutorials on how to create different fashion accessories like rings, bracelets, and earrings, and also necklace. So guys, thank you for watching and supporting my channel, Raptelsa's Blog. This is my new channel name, Raptelsa Blog, or SGM. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. I am doing live tutorial every week, 3 times a week, so that you can see how I will create a DIY project like this. So that is all for today's guys. So thank you for watching and see you again in my next vlog. So this is it. You can see, oh, this is a ring with a crown design, and this one very fashionable Swarovski ring. Very elegant. And the other one is a white pearl ring with a combination of silver beads and silver jewelry wire. So please watch my next live tutorial. I will be creating a fashion hair accessories for the hair, and this is my new introduction for my hair care accessories. I will be doing a live tutorial next week. Okay, so don't forget to join with me with my live tutorial so that you can see live how I will do my DIY hair accessories DIY projects. So start creating your own fashion accessories so that you can save money, and you will learn how to create different fashion accessories. And if you learn, you can do business like this, because this is a trending for everyone. Fashion jewelries, especially Christmas is fast approaching and everyone is preparing for the Christmas attire, for different fashion accessories to be wear during the special occasions like Christmas and New Year and reunions. Bye bye, and thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Ciao.